February 26th. Just drove from work to home. Jeep started fine this morning, drove to work this morning, started fine when I got to work. Started when I left work, just got home, and it will not start again. So per the directions from Pittman at Jeep customer care, I am to lift the hood, document that there's nothing wrong inside the engine, nothing been tampered with. So you can see the electrical connections are all solid. Document everything here. Fuse box. Okay. Get in the car. It's currently 1,269 miles on it. I'm going to use the key that does not have the blue tag on it. Then turn. Nothing. It's going through the startup sequence. Check engine light is on. Currently 5:30. Turn the key. Nothing. Take the key out. They said to try the second. So now I'm going to try the key with the blue tag. Put it in. Turn. Nothing. Again. All the lights go out, except check engine light. Nothing. Go back outside, show that nothing has changed. It's still connected. Fuse box. And there we have it. I have called for a tow service and I will have it towed to the dealership.